Hi, my name is Livia Osborne, and today I'm giving a demo of Web3 Venture Buddy, a Women in Blockchain Talks app. This is a standalone app, but it will also accompany the accelerator program that we are putting in place. It's not yet launched, but it's something that we are looking to launch in the next quarter. So again, this is a standalone product. And as it states here, it is your AI command center for Web3 build and launch success. This is an MVP. And so what I'm showing to you is basically an idea of what it would look like as a fully functional app. So you can say this is a soft launch for testing purposes. So again, AI Command Center for Web3 Build and Launch Success. It is built for women leaders and diverse founders, but it is powerful enough for anyone in Web3. Women in Blockchain Talks focus is on women leaders and diverse founders, but we are open to all genders. We're open to anyone who understands that diversity, inclusion, and equity is key to making the world a better place. So Supercharge your startup with AI-powered admin support, market research, content planning, and Web3 native tools all in one smart dashboard. So once this video is done, then it will be attached to the demo. So you'll be able to watch it from there or watch it again from there. Oh, you should be watching it from there anyway. And you can start your free trial. So before we click on start your free trial, just want to touch on, this is everything you need to scale your Web3 venture from ideation to launch and beyond. And there's different modules touching from the smart admin assistant, market research. It's all self-explanatory. And it's modular by design, so it's powerful by default. I'm really proud of this. And so within the free trial, you'll be able to try the examples. So it will give you an example of how it works. And then dependent on your user profile, you will be able to add to these areas to make it bespoke to you. We have a Web3 asset layer because, of course, this is for people who want to build in Web3, who are already in Web3, who want to build in Web3. We have a token economics and financial planning element here, which you can click on to find out more and also give you a taster of what is behind the sign up. So this just talks about what token economics is, the distribution, and what you'll get in this area once you sign up. Now, this is coming soon because, again, this is an MVP, and you can join the wait list by signing up. And of course, if you sign up after your 14 days free trial, then you would have to be paying for this product. So that's that there. And then this is also an idea of the entrepreneur journey map for accountability, which you will receive on your dashboard once you fill in the details regarding your project. And here, this will take you to the Women in Blockchain Talks company page on LinkedIn. And these have not been populated with information because, again, this is just a MVP. These are not the full prices. It's just to give you an idea. So what we've done, we've got 3 tiers, and this does play into the membership tiers that we have for Women in Blockchain Talks on a separate note. But as you can see, tier 1 gives you 1 project workspace, growth 3 project workspace plus team collaboration, and scale 3rd tier gives you 5 project workspaces, sorry, and gives you advanced team collaboration. And so what does that look like? This looks like, for example, here, if you have an investor and you want to, be transparent on your accountability, or they want to see accountability or how, their funding, their investment is being spent, you could give them the option to collaborate. That option could be read. It could be message, but not editing, and that way they're able to, make notes and all of that good stuff. So this tool is not just about keeping you accountable and giving you guidance on what you need to do, but it's also a way to create transparency. And we all know decentralization, blockchain, one of its key elements, key characteristics is about transparency, promoting transparency and trust, and creating a trustless environment. Okay, so start your free trial. So you will need to, because this is an MVP, just putting your details, and then you will say, email me a magic link. Don't do the whole sign up because it's not going to work. So I'm now going to check my email. Okay, so now that I've accepted the link, the login link to my email via the magic link, we are now on the dashboard. So you can see it says welcome back. And what we're going to do here is this is your profile setup. So I can just put in my name. And I can put in some information about myself, or you can do the same, of course. And then we can fill out this information at a later date. So I'll just save profile. Okay, so that shouldn't do that. That's okay. Go back to the dashboard. Right. So what we're going to do here is you're going to create your first project. So create your first project. So project uno. Go to project for people who are number ones. Let's just put this. Right, so now it put one, the first one. And you can set up the project. So let me just skip this because I want to try and make this quick, this demo. So I'm seeing, okay, right. So it's called it Project Uno. Right, that's great. That's what I wanted. So now we're going to set up the project. And we're going to say, go to project for people who are number ones. Target audience, people who are born first. Okay. And then we're going to say that it's self-funded, bootstrapped, or haven't raised funds yet. Let's just do this. Save, continue. Then we just fill in this information. So I'm just going to, randomly do it. So now that it's done that, it's going to give you idea validation results. So it says it's still developing 17 out of 40. So problem clarity, market understanding, etc. And then it will give some personalized recommendations. Again, this is an MVP. So now that you've got that, it will say view your personalized journey. So you click on personalized journey. And then it will give you your entrepreneur journey map, okay, for this project. It's very important that I, state that it's for this project. So there you have it. And then down here, it will say view detailed results, which takes you back to the quiz results. You can retake the quiz if necessary, and then back to dashboard. Okay. So that means that you have a organic growing project that you can update once you've completed things, you've got clearer idea or clarification on certain elements of your project. Again, here you can open up the quiz results, back to dashboard. You can see your journey map. So it's the same journey map that's here. View your journey map. Open, same journey map. Okay. Now, you've created the project, your recent activity will be shown here. There's different things that you can do. So quick actions, smart admin assistant. So this is just giving an example of how these modules will work. So you've got to define your token utility, tokenomics, legal structure, etc., etc. And these are just ways to give you guidance. Back to the dashboard. Go back to GTM. So this will, you click on that. Go back to the dashboard. And as you can see, the GTM checklist is also in this. It's the same thing, okay? So some of these modules will be grouped together, but on your dashboard, you may use the GTM checklist more than any others. So for quick action, you'll just have it right there. We have an AI chat assistant, which we're looking that I want to mobilize for this MVP, but we're not there yet. So, have a look, play around, let me know what you think, what you would add, how you would improve it. And again, it is a standalone project for those who wouldn't want to do the accelerator or who don't get into our accelerator program once we launch it. So it can be used if you already have a project, if you want to build a project, but it will also be used as a buddy for those who will be part of our accelerator program. So a lot of things in the pipeline, a lot of work to do, but this is what we've done so far. Really proud of it. I hope that you like it and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you so much.